crafted in Britain. wheelXchange Workshop. At wheelXchange, W7 where the wheels revive. British hands keep you right alive. 15 years of alloy fame, 30 in motors, Andrew and team on the game. Powder coat, diamond cut, split rim style, crafted in Britain, built to last a while. Top tier skill, no compromise seen. Call 2020856717113. We keep it clean. From curb to crack, we bring the cure. Refurb so sharp, it's showroom pure. Window shop gleams, the proof is clear. wheelXchange Workshop, excellence lives here. No shortcuts, no second best.